Coordinate system. The model coordinate system or world coordinate system MCS. The working coordinate system WCS. The skied coordinate system or device coordinate system SCS. MCS is the reference space of the model with respect to all the model geometrical data is stored. WCS is a convenient user defined system that facilitates geometry construction. SCS is a two-dimensional device dependent coordinate system whose origin is usually located at the lower left corner of graphic display. Model coordinate system. It is the reference space of the model with respect to which all the model geometrical data is stored. It is a Cartesian system with its x, y, z aligned with the characteristics dimension of the model under consideration. The choice of origin is arbitrary. Cutting direction. Model coordinate system, machine coordinate system. Working coordinate system. This is basically an auxiliary coordinate system used in place of MCS. For convenience, while we develop the geometry by data input, this kind of coordinate system is useful. It is very useful when a plan in MCS is not aligned along any orthogonal planes. It is a user-defined system that facilitates the government geometrical construction. While user input data in WCS, the software transformation into MCS. Screen coordinate system. It contrasts to MCS and WCS screen coordinate system in two-dimensional device independent system whose origin is usually located at the lower left corner and the display corner. The SCS is important for display screen input and digitaling tasks. For raster graphics, pixel grid serves as the range of SCS. For 1024 into 1280, the range is 0,0 to 1024 to 1280. Okay, next is a window port, viewport. Difference between window port, viewport. First, window port, world coordinate area selected for display. What is to be viewed? Next, viewport, device coordinate area selected to display. Where is to be viewed? Next, region created according to the world coordinate. Viewport, region created according to the device coordinate. Next, help to determine the section of scene to be displayed. Help to be determine the section of scene to be displayed. An area on display device to which a window is mapped. World coordinate. Window. Device coordinate. Viewport. World coordinate window port. Device coordinate viewport. Next, clipping. Clipping is the process of determining the visible portion of a drawing lying within the window. Point clipping. Assume a point Px, y does not satisfy the following condition will be clipped away. XW minimum, X, XW maximum, XW minimum, Y max. Line clipping. Line that do not intersect the clipping window are either completely inside the window or completely outside the window. This method used to save the line segment. Discard the line segment, divide the line according to the window coordinate. Next,